Okay, so today we saw prices continue with the move higher that we saw yesterday. Strength in the market has lost a bit of steam, so basically the whole session was choppy. At the open, we had a move lower, which took out the overnight lows, a sharp move higher, which took out and made a new intraday high. We see that move pull back and fail to continue up, and that went down and took out the intraday low. And then into the close, it went back up to retest the highs. Now, this makes a lot of sense for today because we are going into non-farm payrolls tomorrow. We have unemployment numbers coming out at 8:30 Pacific Eastern time. With news coming out tomorrow, we could see a reaction. It could be to the upside, which would not be typically something we'd want to chase. We really want to have prices take out the high and then pull back into the newly defined level of support that Able Trend would give us if the trend changed. Coming into news, prices have not taken out these highs, and so it would have to do so significantly tomorrow, and then would have to pull back. Otherwise, right now, it would just be purely speculating that that moves would be higher, and there's a long way down toward the lows. The more favorable trade right now would be looking for this resistance to hold and for prices to come back down and give us a trade, not necessarily down into exactly where the lows are, but that would be the next step. Okay, this is a quick extension of the clip. We have had actually some price action as we were recording, and prices have actually started lower. And if we get a little bit of a pullback to form some lower risk entry points, those would be fine to look for the downtrend in the daily chart to continue and retest the lows from earlier this week. Again, with news out tomorrow, we'll have to see, and we just want to be nimble and, as always, manage the risk.